Keep it steady, pull slowly. It's moving, we're almost there. Just a little more.
You got it.
Thanks for the help, we owe you.
The headlights are clear now.
Yeah.
And the dash is ready. Let's give it one last polish. All right, old one out, new wood goes in. Perfect fit. All right, that's got it. Perfect fit,
Yeah.
and the wood looks fantastic.
Yeah.
Ready for the road.
The engine should start now. Time for the final touches.
The engine's running sweet. Now for the woodwork. Looks perfect, great job. Just one last wipe. All done. All right, time to lubricate this old hinge. Looking good. Now, let's sand this piece of walnut. And finally, a clear coat to make the grain pop. All right, that's it. Perfect. Looking sharp. This is the final step, getting that perfect shine